Do you know, I didn't intend doing a video today because I'm coming and going with a cold, you know how it is. But then I cracked an egg into a bowl, dropped some shell in it, and I thought I must show you this. So I've got a very clumsy, unprofessional, one-handed video. Here we go. Now this is not the easiest of videos, believe me, but if you get a piece of shell in your bowl like I have here, and try as I might with this spoon, it just refuses to be caught. I tried with my finger and the same thing happened, and every time I get it sort of halfway up the bowl, it escapes me. But all you need to do is take a piece of your eggshell, half of your eggshell, and just put that underneath your little splinter of shell, and it'll just fall into the shell. It works every time. It's a brilliant little tip.